Hello guys. So I am in the Boston Logan International Airport and I've got time to kill in the airport. So I figured, why not get creative and make a little vlog about my favorite ways to kill time. So today I'm going to share my top 3 things that you can do as a way to kill time when you're just hanging out in airports and don't have anything better to do. Okay. So tip number 1 is to walk around the airport. Here's why. First thing is that you're gonna be sitting on an airplane for a bunch of hours. So sitting, just being sedentary isn't great for us. It's not good for our circulation. It's just not good for our body. So take a walk around the airport. Walk around, see what little shops they have, what cafes, see if there's anything good. Walk around, get a lay of the land of the airport, also so that for the next time you travel, you have an idea of whether this is an airport you like, and if you've got connections that you have to do, you can plan ahead for the airports that you really enjoy so that you make it a point to try to connect there whenever possible. So that is tip number 1, is walk around the airport and find a good spot, a quiet spot, so that you can sit and chill and settle, and that's gonna lead me to the next 2 tips.
I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd.
Okay, so now that we've walked around the airport a little bit and we found our quiet spot, which I'm heading to, I'm gonna tell you tip number 2. So, tip number 2 for killing time in the airport is to get some work done. Find yourself a quiet spot, no distractions, the gates are empty, so that you can do a little bit of work. So whether it's writing in your journal, reading a book, catching up on emails, find yourself a quiet spot so that you can actually be productive. If you've got time to kill in an airport, you don't just want to spend the time twiddling your thumbs and just sitting there and hanging out. Make good use of the time, be productive, and get some things done.
Courage in a bottle, and now everything's a blur. She's been looking for the good love, and I'm standing in front of her.
And tip number 3 is stretch. If you've got time to kill in an airport, I cannot recommend enough doing a little bit of yoga or just sitting on the floor and stretching. Moving your body in some way and getting some oxygen and some blood flow to your brain is actually super beneficial before you're gonna be sitting down for hours at a time and not really moving. You're not getting good circulation in your body when you're just sitting on a plane. So getting the blood flow moving to all of your body before you have a day of travel is so important, and that's why I like to find a little quiet spot where I can do a little bit of yoga before I get onto a plane.
So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights.
Also, bonus tip is when the airport has a children's play section, so kudos to you, Boston Logan, and no one is using it, you use it. So seeing as I've got Curious George behind me, I feel like that is the perfect place to end this quick little travel tip vlog of 3 ways that you can kill time when you're just hanging out in airports. And the real takeaway is to always be curious. Like, just be curious. When you've got time to kill, get creative and think about how you can make the most of it. So whether that is walking around the airport and stretching your legs, seeing what's around, doing some work, reading a book, catching up on emails, or stretching and moving your body just to get that blood flow going. All 3 of those things are great things to do when you're looking to kill time at the airport. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see you guys next week on Wednesday.